We are looking at problem 12.5, and this is sort of thinking about bonds from the other direction. So we're looking at the expected rate of return on the corporate bond. So if we think about this, if the face value of this bond is $1,000 and the bond's going to pay 9% over 10 years, the actual bond is selling for $1,100. So your actual return is going to be less than the 9% because you're going to actually get back after 10 years $100 less than you paid for it. So your actual return is going to be less than 9%. And the other way you can think about this, and we'll go back and look at problem 12.1 to sort of prove this out. And we saw this in problem 12.2. When the price is more than the face value of the bond, more than you're going to get at the end of the bond, then we know that the discount rate in the market is going to be less than what the coupon rate of the bond is, because you're actually compensating for the fact that the bond is paying more than the market. So we know that we should know that our answer here is going to be something less than 9%. But let's find out. So let's put in our numbers here. 1,000, coupon rate 9, years to maturity 10, and the price of the bond that they're paying for the bond is $1,100, and we can see that the average annual interest rate is something less than 9. It's 7.4. Now, the cool thing is, if we go back to problem 1 and look at and use these numbers right here and do it from the other end and say, okay, payment received is 1,000, coupon rate is 9, years to maturity is 10, and if we put in the required rate that we computed in problem 12.5, which is 7.54, we'll see something really cool. 7.54, we see that this computes the present value of the bond to be just about exactly what problem 12.5 is saying that we paid for the bond. So you can see once again that when the price of the bond is more than the face value of the bond, that tells you that the bond is paying, the coupon rate or the interest rate that the bond is going to pay is a higher interest than the average rate of return in the market. Okay, that's problem 12.5.